How to determine the language of a piece of text? I want to get this. How can I do it in Python?
Have you had a look at line detect?
One, text blob. Requires NLTK package, uses Google. Pip install text blob. Note, this solution requires internet access and text blob is using Google Translate's language detector by calling the API. 2. Polyglot. Requires NumPy and some arcane libraries. For Windows, get an appropriate versions of Pyiku, Professor and Python2 from here, then just pip install downloaded_will.whl, able to detect text with mixed languages. Pip install Polyglot. To install the dependencies, run sudo apt get install python numpy labiku dev. Note, Polyglot is using Python2, see this URL, for details. 3. Chardet. Chardet has also a feature of detecting languages if there are character bytes in range, 127 to 255. Pip install chardet. 4. LangDetect. Requires large portions of text. It uses non-deterministic approach under the hood. That means you get different results for the same text sample. Docs say you have to use following code to make it determined. Pip install LangDetect. 5. Guess_language. Can detect very short samples by using this spell checker with dictionaries. Pip install guess_language spirit. 6. Langit. Langit.py provides both a module and a command line tool. Pip install Langit. 7. FastText. FastText is a text classifier, can be used to recognize 176 languages with a proper models for language classification. Download this model, then pip install FastText. 8. Python3. Python3 is a neural network model for language identification. This package contains the inference code and a trained model. Pip install Python3.
At Rabash had a good list of tools on this URL. And at Toto_Tico did a nice job in presenting the speed comparison. Here's a summary to complete the great answers above, as of 2021.
If you are looking for a library that is fast with long texts, Polyglot and FastText are doing the best job here. I sampled 10,000 documents from a collection of dirty and random HTMLs, and here are the results. I have noticed that a lot of the methods focus on short texts, probably because it is the hard problem to solve. If you have a lot of text, it is really easy to detect languages. For example, one could just use a dictionary. However, this makes it difficult to find for an easy and suitable method for long texts.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.